Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking true wireless earbuds. I have to mention that this is Bluetooth 5.0 and it is reminding me of the Earpods Pro, but it is done by a company called Dudios, which I always cannot pronounce their company name properly, but it is modeled M3 and this is taking you to another level. I have to mention that each time that you have this on your hand will last you roughly about 5 hours, and when you're trying to charge the actual docking station will charge about 2 hours fully charge it from 0 to 100. Another thing that I really like about this is as soon as you finish listening to a few music and you hook it back up, it will last you a very long time. For me, I've been playing with this for over a week and I haven't charged a docking station yet, about 25% left. Before we forget, make sure you click the subscribe button. Share this with your friends and family and make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order for you to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos in a little more detail every time. You can see that the box is really nicely designed. It's really keeping that white color around, and once you open the box, here are all the components that are part of this unit itself. It comes with this user manual, which is in 3 different languages, and also it will show you exactly what's included in the package, which we are going to cover. Also, what each side of the buttons, which is a touch sensitive, will do for you on your actual earbuds. And going next talks about how you're going to be able to connect to your Bluetooth, doesn't matter Apple or Android or even Windows. And also it will show you exactly how much percentage of charge you have, which we will cover in this video. So a lot of things are here, and here you go. If you need help, how you're going to be able to contact them and get some support. All available in this user manual. And it also comes with this little ear tips. Now you can see that there are some small and some big ones. Is because if the ones that are coming with your earbuds are small, you can change it to a bigger one, or if it is too big, you can change it to a smaller one. And also if it went bad, you can replace them with this. So here is the charging wire. You can see that it is USB Type-C and the other side is USB 2.0. So this way you're going to be able to connect it and charge your docking station very quickly. And you can see that the wire is not that long. That means is if you have a laptop, you can connect it to this and it will do the job perfectly for you. Now comes the big part, which is the actual docking station. And yes, you can see it that it is wrapped around just like how Apple products are wrapped. And it kind of reminds me of the iPod Pros. We're going to take this out and this is how it looks. I really like it. So the best thing is their name is written properly. And again, it's shiny just like the Apple product. It is not Apple, by the way. And also you can see the 4 little dots in the bottom. This is how you will be able to know exactly how much charge you have. Each one of this will be 25%. So it starts from this way, going that side. So this way you know exactly how much charge you have. That's not the only thing. I really like that little cut that goes through, which Apple should learn from this. And going around is you can see the hinge in the back. Now going back in the front, you can see when you open it, it looks pretty cool. And you have some writings right on the top, which has the company name and some FCC information there. But look inside of it, it's pretty cool. It's really white and they have managed to put everything properly in there. You can see the charging stations are there too. So this way how your charging parts are inside of it. This is how your earbuds are going to get charged, is all the way in the bottom. But now going at the bottom of the docking station itself, you have the charging connection, and going in the back, there's nothing there. And in the front, you have their name. So I really like that. This design is beautiful. Now when I open and when I close, these things doesn't come on. That means it's not really charged. So I will put this aside and I will go into earbuds. Now here is the earbuds. I really like the way this is designed too. they have their name in the back, and that part is the touch sensitive part that you can tap and it will do the functions for you. Now going on the bottom part of it is where you're going to see the charging part, and then the mic is right underneath of it. And when you go to the front part, you will see it says right, has a little R writing. And then when you go to the actual earpiece, the sensors there, and also they have another little part. I believe that is going to be the LED light, so it will tell you if it is going to be on a pairing mode or if you're going to use it. It should blink once in a blue moon. And also this part is the earbud or the ear tip that will go inside of your ear. It looks pretty cool. Now if I have to check the second part of it, it looks beautiful. It looks exactly the same as the right one. It just says L and it's designed backwards, so that way it goes to your left ear. And also you have the charging part, the mic in the bottom, which we will test in a few seconds, and then going on the top your sensor. And also you have the little part, so that way it will blink, your LED light that is. And then the earpiece that goes inside of your ear is all there. This part is very touch sensitive, which we will show you in a few seconds. Now placing them inside of the docking station should be pretty easy. You just have to put it inside and that's it. And same thing on this side. And now it is connected, and once you open it, this is how beautiful it looks. And that's the sound it will make when you close the top, which is awesome. Alright, so let's go next. Place it on a charge, and then we can capture more. With all the lights, you're not able to see the actual LED part, and you can see that it has about 50% charge. There you go. And now the 75% is blinking. That means it is charging right now. Alright, so let's get the earbuds connected to the phone itself that we have. So we're using the UMIDIGI A7S, and let's just go through it and go into Bluetooth settings. We're going to say pair. You can see that right now it is looking for one, and we're going to take the right one out, and it should automatically find it, and there you go. So I will select it. Takes a couple of seconds. And there you go. Now it says to pair. So I'm going to say allow and pair. And now you can see that I have 100% charge. So here you go. This is the start. And we will going to make it really loud. And you can little bit hear it right now just playing the song itself, which is really good. So that is a plus sign. Now we're going to test it out to see if it really functions or if it's going to be able to play and pause just using the earbuds itself. So in order to pause it, there you go, or play it. So that's the trick with this earbuds, is when you want to tap it, you have to be very gentle and you have to do it a little with pause in order for the sound to be able to play or pause. There you go. That's how it works. So that part is beautiful. We know how to make that work. Now let's see how loud the earbuds can handle the sound. So right now you can see that this is the normal number, and I'm going to make sure the light is on. There you go. So this is the normal number for the earbud, and now we have to hook it up. You can see how loud it can get. And that's what we wanted to show you, that this earbuds can handle a very, very loud noise. Now with this test, I'm going to show you that once you place your earbuds back in the actual docking station and you close it, it gets disconnected right away. So it's very easy to connect it and take it out. There you go. And now it should connect by itself. As you can see right now, there you go. So it connects by itself as soon as you take it out. And when you place it back in your headphones, in your docking station, it shuts off by itself very easily. So this is what I really like about this, is connection and disconnection now going to be a breeze when you are taking the headphones out. Not like the other ones that you have to go back to your phone, make sure that you turn on your Bluetooth, make sure you repair it, and then it will be all good. As long as you have the name set up right there, you already paired it one time. As soon as you open the actual docking station and you take one of the earbuds off, it should be going back into connection, which is going to happen in a few seconds. There you go. And now it's going to connect by itself. Done. So this is how easy it is to connect. And then when you place it back in your docking station and you close, it disconnects very, very fast and easily. So now you can use this to help you out in a longer run. I want to mention one thing, that while I was playing with this earbuds itself, I found out that the bass on this is beautiful. Again, for the price that it comes with, bass should be really good. One thing also I noticed is the bass comes on, the background, all of the other noise and even the singer's voice kind of deteriorated and it went away because the bass was the main thing. But when I was really playing with the actual earbuds, I noticed that it really picks up voice accurately. So let's go next and show you exactly what I mean when we are on the phone. Alright, so this test will determine on how good the earbuds will be able to record our voice on this phone itself. That means is when you're also on the call, this is how it will sound. So we will start it now. And this is the task that we wanted to show you exactly how good the sound quality is when you're talking on your earbuds, when you're on the phone, and the other side what they should be able to hear. And also the sound reflection going from your actual mouth to the speaker and also to the mic and then going back to you, how it will sound. I have to mention that it is a little bit different. Sounds like a noise cancellation really kicks in where we are trying to record this, but this is how it really sounds when you are talking on the phone. And I will close it right now. So this was our test on the actual phone recording. And here are the earbuds that we were using. So I was using both of them to show exactly how good this was. I will be placing all the links where you can order this from, and if you need more help from official website at the bottom of the video. Except that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.